Today is a beautiful day in spring to do the cleanup. Welcome to MG Factor. So as you can see, this is a Westinghouse pressure washer which has got 3000 psi and comes with 5 different nozzles, and it sprays around 1.76 gallons per minute. Your power on and off, your soap dispenser tank. Do check my other video wherein I have done the assembly of this unit. That will be really helpful. The power cord comes with a GFCI breaker for the safety purpose. As you can see, the siding has plenty of stains and mildew. We purchased this house recently and the mildew was up here even then. I could guess the siding were never been cleaned from years, and hence the buildup and the dirt. This is north side of the house, so it gets less sunlight. The same is the case with the concrete as well. As you can see, it has got so much dirt and grime buildup, even the moss everywhere. It has been neglected for years. So I thought of taking up this mission and do the cleanup. I bought this outdoor cleaner concentrate from my local hardware store. It can be used on deck, concretes and sidings. You can mix it as 1:1 ratio. Now as you can see, I am filling this solution into the soap dispenser of pressure washer. Thereafter I will add similar amount of water to make it as 1:1 ratio solution. And don't forget to put the lid back on. So next I will connect the garden hose. So the pressure washer comes with an inbuilt filter. Before I actually turn on the unit, what I would like to do first is to squeeze the trigger and let the water come through it, just to release some air out of the system. Once this step is done, I will turn on the washer and it's ready to use. I will start the cleaning by applying the concentrate first. So put the soap nozzle and ensure it clicks and sits properly. Just like that. Ensure that it's properly snug. Now spray the solution on the concrete and let it sit for few minutes. I would say at least 5 to 10 minutes before you start the cleaning. While cleaning, I realized that the pressure washer is not loud as compared to the gas powered. After 5-10 minutes, I will change my nozzle to 25 degree and start the cleaning. Do ensure that it's properly snug. As you can see, there is a line here on the center of the nozzle, so you can also change the angle of the spray while you are using the washer. It can be vertically or horizontally. Now the moment of truth. As you can see, it did a pretty good job in taking out the moss. You can notice the difference before and after later in the video and make your own judgment. I am pretty satisfied with the pressure washer so far. A small request to my viewers, if you are not subscribing the channel, please subscribe the channel, as 96% people watch but they don't subscribe. Subscribing really helps me grow the channel, keeps me motivated to make such wonderful content for you all. Thank you. So after the concrete, the other surface is the siding, which is most common in our homes. So I have took this section, which is again at the rear side of the house, just for the demonstration purposes. So I will do a demonstration, and you guys can make your own judgment that how effective the washer is. So repeat the same process of soaking it up with the cleaning concentrate, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll start the cleaning process. Stay tuned. So as you can see, this is really effective. In just one pass, it's making the difference, getting all those mildew cleaned very easily. Do let me know in comment section if you guys would like me to make any video on any specific topic. I will definitely work hard, do some research, and make some wonderful content. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video, wherein I will be explaining different size of nozzle and their application. If you found this video helpful, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. That keeps me motivated to make such videos in future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.